Here next one we are having the heartbeat. Okay, here heartbeat, which mean one complete contraction and relaxation. Okay, contraction, which mean they are compress the muscles, and relaxation, which mean they are relieving the compressed muscle. That is the relaxation phase. Here one complete contraction and relaxation. And relaxation. Here we say no. They are having another name also, that is the systole. And here a relaxation phase we called as a diastole. Okay. Here the contraction phase they are given a name of systole, and relaxation phase they are given a name of diastole. Okay, heart enna pannu usually சுருங்கி விரியும் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, they showing some of the movement இல்லையா, அப்போது சுருங்குறச்ச they given a contraction, that is the systole. விரிகிறச்ச they given a name of a relaxation, that is the diastole. ஓகேவா, எந்த ஆர்கன்ஸ் ஆஃப் அன் ஹார்ட் சுருங்கி விரியுன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா, இந்த atrium, right side of an atrium and left side of an atrium, and right side of the ventricle and left side of the ventricle. Okay, here the atrium and ventricle constitute the heartbeat. Okay, if you see the normal heartbeat of an adult, okay, adult pathontanaka they are having 72 to 75 beats per minute. 72 to 75 beats per minute. Otherwise, if you see the baby, okay, normal if you see a baby na, they are having 100 to 120 beats per minute. If you take a newborn baby, okay, they are having 120 to 140 beats per minute, and fetus they are having 140 to 160 per minute. So these are all the heartbeat rates of a normal human body. Okay, it based on that age. Here adult they are having a normal heartbeat rate is 72 to 75 per minute. Okay, now we have to see that how they are initiating the contraction of heartbeat. What are the special muscles are present in the contraction of heartbeat? Okay, let me say that in the initiation and a conduction. Okay, next topic we are having the initiation and conduction of heartbeat. Here and next one we say na initiation and conduction of heartbeat. Okay, here initiation and conduction, which mean some muscles is there to initiating and conduction of the heart, that is a systole and diastolic phases of on heart. Here a first one, heart is made up of a special muscle, that is the myogenic muscle. Here a myogenic, which means they made up of full of muscle cells rather than the nerve cells. That is the meaning of myogenic muscle. And not only that, with the help of some special muscle is there, with the help of special muscle they are initiating the impulses of an heart. Just see this, just imagine this is the human heart. Okay, and here the first one they are having a special muscle, we say no, that is the sinoatrial node. They are present in the right atrium just near to the superior vena cava. This is the sinoatrial node. Or otherwise we called as the SA node. Okay, this is the sinoatrial node. With the help of that muscle they are stimulate the heart muscles contraction, that is the systolic and diastolic phase. Here they are presenting the right atrium, we said, the top side of an SA node at a broader, and they are tapering in the end. Okay, here a sinoatrial node act as a pacemaker. Okay, pacemaker na enadhu, in that ஹார்ட்டில் என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்துச்சுனாக்கா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஃபேஸ் மேக்கர் ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, அப்போது எஸ்ஏ நோட் ப்ராப்பராக ஒர்க் பண்ணாமல் இருந்துச்சுனாக்கா தே ஆர் ஃபிக்ஸிங் தி ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் எஸ்ஏ நோட் டு கான்ட்ராக்ட் தி heartbeat. Okay, so that a sinoatrial node act as a pacemaker. It is capable of initiating the impulses in the heart. Okay, and next these impulses of sinoatrial node spread the waves of contraction. Just imagine this is the spread the waves of contraction over the right and left atrial. This is the right and left atrial in the wall of pushing the blood vessel through the, this is the walls of pushing the blood vessel through the atrioventricular wall. This is the atrioventricular wall. Okay, and here there goes to be here to the atrioventricular wall, which stimulate and emit the impulses just like this. They are emit the impulses in atrioventricular bundle. This is the atrioventricular bundle, and here this atrioventricular bundle and move to the a lower chamber, that is the ventricle of a right and left ventricle. They are emit the impulses to contraction and spreading to the ventricle muscles via the atrioventricular bundle. This is the atrioventricular bundle. Okay, and the Purkinje fibers. Now the waves of contraction, that is the impulses spread the entire parts of an heart. Okay, now they are showing some of the movements. Okay, when the waves are spread in the right and left auricle, they are showing a contraction movements. When their waves are spread to the here, they are relieving the heart blood to the left and right and left ventricle. Okay, now they are filled with the blood. Again they are goes out now. At the time they are also showing some contraction. Okay, this with the help of the sinoatrial node, they are showing the systole and diastolic movement. So that is the initiating and the contraction of heartbeat. Okay, and next we are having the pulse. Here a pulse, when the heartbeat blood is forced to the arteries, we say na arteries, the expansion of artery every time for the blood is forced into the, we called as a pulse. Just imagine this is the artery. Now the blood is flow in the artery. We already said that in the veins, the difference between veins and artery, the blood flow near very fast in nature in the arteries. Their blood lowerly go in a slow motion in the veins. Okay, so they are showing some of the force to the artery. The force we called as a pulse, and that force we called as a pulse. If we can feel the placing of the finger in your fingertip of the artery near to the wrist. Wristக்கு பக்கத்துல உங்க ஹேண்டை வச்சு பார்த்தோம், கை வைப்போம் இல்லையா, இங்கே கை வச்சு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா you're showing, you feel some of the beats. Okay, and you have to count that a normal range of a pulse is 70 to 90 per minute. Okay, but this is a normal pulse rate. Okay, pulse rate எப்படி measure பண்றோம், forcing of blood in the arteries. Okay, arteries உடைய flow வச்சு தான், அந்த arteriesல blood flow வச்சு தான் we are measuring the pulse rate of an human. Okay, so that's it for a pulse. Okay, next move on for a next topic. Here next one we are having the cardiac cycle. Okay, cardiac cycle, cardiac heart, we already say that cycle. Okay, cycle, when we are saying a cycle, when they are receiving a blood, again they are forcing out the blood away from the heart. Okay, அதுதான் ஒரு சைக்கிள் சொல்லுவாங்க. Here beginningல இருந்து ending முடியும், that is the completing of one heartbeat. Okay, that is the completion of one heartbeat. Here one heartbeat another first auricle blood receive பண்ணும். ஓகேவா, and next the blood goes to the ventricle. ஓகேவா, ventricleக்கு blood போகணும். Again they want to show the contraction, that is the auricle systole and ventricular diastole, again the ventricular systole. Okay, receive பண்ணி blood வெளியே அனுப்பணும் இல்லையா. So that is a cardiac cycle, one complete cycle of an heart beat, that is the cardiac cycle. Here during this cardiac cycle a blood flow through the chamber வழியாக தானே போகும் heart a specific duration. Okay, அப்படி chamber வழியாக போகிறச்ச they are having a specific duration. Each cardiac cycle last about ஒரு cardiac cycle here we say na one heartbeat, one cardiac cycle lasts about 0.8 seconds. Okay, here a 0.8 seconds, which means each cardiac cycle they are having a specific durations. Okay, the first one is atrial first one is the atrial systole. Okay, here atrial systole. Systole na contraction. Okay, appo auricular part irukku that artery part, the artery part enna aganum contraction கொடுக்கணும் சரியா, that is சுருங்கி விரியுதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, that is the contraction கொடுக்கணும். So that is the contraction phase of both auricle. Okay, and first auricular systole is 0.1 second, and next ventricular systole. Here a systole we say na contraction. Okay, appo ventricle, left and right ventricle, sorry this is the right and this is the left, both ventricle want to show the systole, that is the contraction phase. அதுக்கு என்ன நேரம் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா that is the 0.3 seconds. Okay, and next they are having the ventricular diastole. Here a diastole, which means a relaxation phase. So they are last about 0.4 seconds. So totally we have to count this 0.1, 0.3 and 0.4. Totally 0.8. Okay, here a ventricular diastole. A diastole now, that is the relaxation phase. When first they want to come here, okay, and next this is the ventricular diastole. Now they are receiving the blood. Okay, they are having a relaxation phase. Okay, and now they are showing the systolic phase. They are goes to the contraction. Okay, so this is the what they are ventricles only are showing a two movements, that is systole and diastolic movement. Here auricles are showing the only one movement, that is the systole contraction phase only. Okay, so this is a one complete cycle of cardiac cycle. Okay, so that's it for a cardiac cycle. Let me move on. Next one, heart sound. Here just see this heart sound. In this heart sound, the rhythmic closure என்ன சொல்லுவோம், they want to play in a harmonious nature, that is the closure. Okay, a rhythmic closure of opening and closing of the heart, that is the auricle opening and closing of the ventricles. Okay, that is a closure of opening and closing of the valves. In the valves here they are having some valves, right, a tricuspid and bicuspid valve, that is a closing and opening of the valves in heart. The first sound is a love during the produced by the closure of a tricuspid. Okay, and next sound is a dove during the produced by the closure of a semilunar valve. Here a semilunar valve, where it is present, we already said that in that aorta and pulmonary valves they are having a semilunar. A semilunar we say in half moon size. This is the semilunar because they are having a half moon shape. Okay, this is producing the second sound, that is dub. Okay, and here a tricuspid and bicuspid involved producing the lub. Okay, so this is the first sound and this is the second sound. They are responsible for the two valves, that is the a tricuspid and bicuspid. Here they are responsible for the semi-lunar valve. Okay. So that's it for an heart sound. Let you move on next one, blood pressure.